There. In this video, I am going to explain about the concepts of oxidation, reduction, and redox reaction. Okay, this topic is belongs to acids and bases. First of all, we have to know about the at the end of the period, we would able to know the what is oxidation, what is reduction reaction. Okay, some important chemical reactions are like when we observe the rusting of metals, the process involved in photography, the way living produce and utilize the energy, the operation of car battery. Okay, when we see the some chemical reactions like the rusting of metals, the process involved in photography, the way living systems produce and utilize energy, the operation of car battery. Okay, these chemical reactions are all classified as electron transfer or oxidation reduction reactions. Okay, in everything, okay, let us see the rusting of metals. Okay, it involves the oxidation process, the process involved in the photography. Okay, it involves in the it also involves in the oxidation process, the way living the system produce and utilize the energy. Okay, it is also involves in the oxidation process. Okay, the operations of car battery that involves the here these are the different chemical reactions which involves the oxidation and reduction reactions or redox reactions. Let us see what is the oxidation. What is the oxidation reaction? In this reaction, the electrons are lost or lossing of electrons is called as oxidation reactions. Sometimes this may also defined as addition of oxygen to an atom or an element to an atom or a molecule or ion is called as oxidation reaction. The removal of hydrogen from an acid from an atom or ion or molecule is called as oxidation reaction. Then next one is reduction reaction. In this reduction reaction, the electrons are gained or the gaining of electrons is called as reduction reaction. In this reduction reaction, we also defined as the addition of hydrogen to an atom or molecule or ion is called as reduction, or the removal of oxygen from an atom or ion or molecule is called as reduction reaction. During the oxidation reaction, the electrons are lost by an atom. Then it forms the cations. During the oxidation process, the electrons are lost from an atom or ion or molecule. Then it forms cations. The oxidation state of metal always increases from 0 to positive value. So that is also one of the definition of oxidation reaction. The increase the oxidation number of in a metal from 0 to positive value or the negative to positive value, then it is called as oxidation. The reaction in which increasing the oxidation number appears, then it is known as oxidation. The oxidation reactions are written in the following form using the element calcium like this. When you take calcium, when it loses the two electrons, it forms calcium plus 2 ion. Means in oxidation reactions, when electron lost an element, it forms the cations. At the same time, the oxidation state is increases from 0 to positive number. That is, in elemental state, the oxidation number of an element, oxidation number of atom is 0. Then when it is forms the cations, then in the case of cations, positive charge is equals to its oxidation number of an element, not molecule. For the molecule, we can calculate the oxidation state in another way. Okay, in elements only we can take the positive charge whatever is there. Okay, that is equals to the its conjugate, its oxidation number. Okay, okay, it is always numerically equal to the number of electrons lost. Okay, simply we can treat it as the number of electrons, how many number of electrons are lost from an atom. Okay, that is equals to its charge, and also those charge is taken as oxidation state. Once again I'm repeating the oxidation reaction. Oxidation is nothing but during the oxidation the electrons are lost by an atom and it forms the cations. Okay, the the process of loss of an electrons from an atom or ion or molecule is called as oxidation reaction. The addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, the addition of oxygen to an atom or molecule or ion is called as oxidation state, oxidation reaction. The removal of the process of removal of hydrogen from an atom or ion or molecule is called as oxidation reaction, or the process of the chemical reaction in which the increasing of oxidation number is called as oxidation reaction. The chemical reaction in which the increasing of oxidation number, then it is treated as oxidation state, oxidation reaction. Okay, during the oxidation process, the electrons are lost and it forms the cations, and it forms the cations. Okay, the oxidation state of a metal always increases from 0 to positive value. 0 to positive value, only in the case of metals. In elemental state, any of the uh, uh, atom is having zero oxidation state. When it is lost the electrons, and it forms the cations, and at that time the cations are having positive charge. Cations are having positive charge, then this charge is equals to the number of electrons, how many number of electrons are lost by an atom. Okay, the charge is always equals to its oxidation number. Okay, when we observe here calcium in elemental state, its oxidation number is 0, and when it is lost 2 electrons, and it's converts as Ca plus 2, means cation calcium cation. Here it is having 2, the positive charge of calcium is plus 2. Here this plus 2 charge is equals to its oxidation number. Here in this reaction, the value of oxidation number is increases from 0 to plus 2. Then it is an oxidation reaction. Okay, this oxidation number is always here. Uh, the number of electrons lost. And next one is reduction. During the reduction reaction, the electrons are gained by an atom, and it forms the anions. Just now we discussed the reduction reaction, the process of gaining of an electron to an atom, or ion, or molecule is called as reduction. The process of gaining of electrons to an atom, or ion, or molecule is called as reduction. Or the process of removal of oxygen from an atom, or ion, or molecule is called as reduction reaction. Or the process of addition of hydrogen to an atom, or molecule, or ion is called as reduction reaction. And next one is the process of decreasing the oxidation number of an element in a chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. The process of decreasing the oxidation number of an element in a chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. During the reduction process, the electrons are gained by the atom, then it forms anions. Then oxidation state of non-metals always decreases from 0 to negative value. In the case of non-metals, the oxidation state is decreases from 0 to negative value, means it is nothing but decreasing the oxidation number value. Okay, the reduction reactions are written in the following way by taking the oxygen as an example. Okay, the symbol of an atom is oxygen O. Then when it is gains two numbers of electrons, then it converts as O minus 2. Okay, it is a symbol of anion. It is a oxide ion. When oxygen gains two electrons, it forms O minus 2. O minus 2. Okay, the charge of anion formed is always numerically equals to the total number of electrons gained. Okay, the charge of the anion is found always equals to the numerically equals to the number of electrons gained. So for example, if we have to take hydride, if we have to take Cl, chlorine atom, when it is takes one electron, it converts as Cl minus, means nothing but when chlorine atom gains one electron, it converts as Cl minus. Cl minus. Cl minus. Okay, here also it forms the anion. Then it is a reduction reaction. Okay, the charge of the anion formed is always numerically equals to the number of electrons gained, means minus 1 means nothing but 1 electron is gained. Then in the Cl elemental state, that value is oxidation number is 0. When it converts as Cl minus by the gaining of 1 electron, then Cl minus state, that oxidation number is minus 1. Minus 1. Next one is okay, just now we discussed what we discussed here. What is the oxidation? What is oxidation is nothing but the process of removal of an electron from an atom or ion or molecule is called as oxidation, or the process of addition of oxygen to an atom or molecule is called as oxidation reaction. And next one is the process of increasing the oxidation number of an element in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation reaction. During the oxidation reaction, the electrons are lost and it forms the cations. In oxidation, the oxidation state of metal always increases from 0 to positive value. 0 to positive value. The oxidation reactions are written in the following form using the element calcium is. Calcium, whenever it lost the two electrons, it converts as calcium plus 2 cation. Here when we observe here the calcium atomic number, calcium In elemental states, oxidation state is 0, but in the case of calcium plus 2 ionic state, the charge is equals to its oxidation number. Okay, the charge is always equals to the total number of lost electrons in a chemical reaction. Okay, the process of the process of increasing the oxidation number of atom in the case of metals that we observe, that is 0 to positive value. The oxidation state increases from 0 to positive charge, that is 0 to plus 2 in the above examples. So similarly, uh, sodium atom is there. Whenever it lost one electron, it converts as Na plus, Na plus plus one electron. In that case, sodium elemental state, its oxidation state is 0. In ionic state, Na plus, that's oxidation number is plus 1. Okay, in that reaction also we observe increases the oxidation number from 0 to plus 1, 0 to plus 1. Okay, oxidation state is increases in metals always 0 to positive value. The next one is in reduction. In the reduction process, the reduction is nothing but the process of gaining of electrons from an atom or ion or molecule is called as reduction reaction, or the process of addition of hydrogens, removal of hydrogen, oxygen is an atom from an atom or ion or molecule is called as reduction reaction. And one more definition is there, that is the process of decreasing the oxidation number of an element of an atom in a chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. In the reduction reaction, the oxidation state in the reduction reactions, the electrons are gained and that converts as anion. The oxidation state of non-metal ions always decreases from 0 to negative value. In the case of non-metals elements, the oxidation numbers may decreases always 0 to minus values, that is negative values. Okay, the reduction reactions can be written as the following way by taking oxygen as an example. When an oxygen gains the 2 electrons, it converts as O minus 2. O minus 2 means the symbol of oxygen here O. In elemental state, its uh, oxidation state is 0. When it converts as O minus 2, means here the minus 2 indicates the oxidation state of oxygen in O minus 2 ion, oxide ion. The charge of an anion formed is always equals to, numerically equal to the total number of electrons gained. Okay, the charge of the anion formed is always equals to the numerically equals to the total number of electrons gained. And next one is redox reaction. The process of oxidation cannot occur without a corresponding reduction reaction. Means the oxidation must always coupled with the reduction. The electrons are lost by one substance must always electrons must be gained by the another substance. Reduction is nothing but in a single reaction it may contains oxidation and reduction reactions, that is called as redox reactions. The process of a chemical reaction which may contains both oxidation and reduction reactions, that is called as redox reactions. Okay, in that redox reactions the electrons that are lost by an atom or substance must be gained by the another substance. Okay, if any substance lost by an atom electrons, any substance lost by an electrons, that should be gained by the another substance, then in a single reaction, then it is treated as redox reaction. Oxidation and reductions are collectively called as redox reaction. Redox redox reaction means RAD. Red is nothing but reduction reaction. OX is indicates oxidation reaction. If any chemical reaction it may contains both oxidation and reduction reactions, then it is called as redox reaction. Example is for the redox reaction. Zinc, whenever it loses the two electrons, it converts as zinc plus 2. Then it is a oxidation reaction. Already we discussed the process of removal of an electron from an atom is called as oxidation. When we take copper plus 2, when it is gains 2 electrons, it converts as copper, then it is a reduction reaction. The process of gaining of an electron to an ion or molecule, it is etc. Here the copper plus 2 gaining the 2 electrons, then it converts as copper. Then it is a reduction reaction. The overall reaction can be written as zinc plus 2, zinc plus copper plus 2 gives rise to zinc plus 2 plus copper. Here zinc in this zinc its oxidation state is 0 in elemental state. When it converts as zinc plus 2, its oxidation number is plus 2. Here it is, here we observe the reaction, we observe the reaction increasing the oxidation number from 0 to plus 2, then it is a oxidation reaction. Okay, when we take copper plus 2 converts as copper, means here copper plus 2 ions or gains the whenever gains the 2 electrons from the zinc, it converts as copper. Already we discussed one should be lost the electrons that should be gained by the another substance in a single reaction, then it is called as redox reaction. Here zinc lost the two electrons. It converts as zinc plus 2. Means here the oxidation number is increases from the 0 to plus 2. At the same time, when it is zinc lost the two electrons, the two electrons are gained by the copper plus 2 and it converts as copper. Means here it is gaining the electrons from the zinc in the first condition. At the same time, the decreasing the oxidation number of an element. Here copper plus 2, copper plus 2, the copper plus 2, here the oxidation number is equals to its charge, or it should have capable to accepting a two electrons. Means the two number of electrons are gained from the zinc, then its oxidation number is plus 2 and it converts as copper. In elemental state, the copper oxidation number is 0, plus 2 to 0. Then it is a reduction reaction. Okay, in a single reaction, it contains both oxidation and reduction reactions. Then it is a redox reaction. Okay, some more examples of oxidation reactions are when magnesium lost the two electrons, then it converts as magnesium plus 2 electrons. When copper lost the two electrons, it converts as copper plus 2 electrons. Okay, one more example is there. Sodium is there. Sodium, when it loses one electron, it converts as Na plus 1 electron. And next one is some of the examples of reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. When Cl chlorine gains one electron, it converts as Cl minus. When oxygen gains two electrons, then it converts as O minus 2. Okay, the process of gaining of the electron in to an atom or molecule or ion is called as reduction reaction. Okay, just now we discussed the redox reaction also. Okay, in a single reaction, if it may contains both oxidation and reduction reaction values, reduction both oxidation and reduction, that is called as redox reaction. Let us see. In this period, we discussed the oxidation reaction with example, reduction reaction with example, and the redox reaction with the examples. Let us see two quick questions on this topic. Which of the following is an example of oxidation reaction? Mg gives rise to Mg plus 2, Cl gives rise to Cl minus 3, O gives rise to O minus 2, copper plus 2 gives rise to copper. Among these, magnesium, when it is gains, when it's lost electrons, two electrons, it converts as magnesium plus 2. Cl, when it gains one electrons, it converts as Cl minus. Oxygen, when it gains two electrons, converts as O minus 2. Copper plus 2, when it is gains the two electrons, it converts as copper. These three are the reduction reaction. First one is the right answer. It is magnesium gives rise to magnesium plus 2. Means here it is increasing the oxidation number 0 to plus 2. That is from oxidation reaction definition. Next question is, in oxidation reaction, electrons are lost, electrons are gained, oxidation number decreases, electrons are gained or lost. Okay, in this the right answer is electrons are lost. already definition is there. The number of electrons lost, the process of electrons lost by an atom or ion is called as oxidation reaction. The frequently asked questions in this topic is define the oxidation reduction and give the examples for each. And mostly this question is asked in short questions and one mark questions. Next one is let us repeat once. I am going to repeat once again the three topics of oxidation, reduction, and redox reactions. Oxidation is nothing but the process of removal of electrons from an atom or ion or molecule is called as oxidation. The process of addition of oxygen to an atom or ion or molecule. And next one is the process of increasing the oxidation number of an element or atom in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Okay, it should be same element, not different element. If an element oxidation number may increases from 0 to positive or whatever it is. The process of increasing of oxidation number of an atom in a chemical reaction is called as oxidation reaction. Example, Na minor, whenever it loses sodium, whenever it loses one electron, it converts as sodium plus ion. Means in this kind of oxidation reactions, if an element lost an electron, it forms the cations, and then mainly the metal ions always the oxidation number is increases from 0 to positive value. In the case of oxidation reaction, we observe the increasing the oxidation number of an element from 0 to positive value. And next one is reduction. So we were going to reduction reaction. The oxidation the oxidation state is always equals to the total number of electrons lost in a chemical reaction. And next one is reduction reaction. Reduction in reaction is nothing but the process of removal of an electron. Sorry, the process of gaining of an electron to an atom or ion or molecule is called as reduction reaction. In the reduction reaction, we may observe the decreasing the oxidation number of an element in a chemical reaction. In a reduction reaction, we observe the decreasing the oxidation number of an element in a chemical reaction. And next one is we observe the one more definition, the process of addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from an atom or ion or molecule is called as reduction reaction. Okay, in that reduction reaction, when an element gains the electrons, it converts as anion. It converts as anions. Okay, in that case, in the one more information. When an electron gains the electron, when an atom gains the electron, it converts as anion. For example, when Cl, chlorine atom gains the one electron, it converts as Cl minus. In that ionic state, the minus value or negative value is equals to the total number of electrons gained in the chemical reaction. And next one is redox reaction. Redox, redox reaction. If a chemical reaction is having both oxidation and reduction reaction, then it is called as redox reaction. When oxidation, when in a chemical reaction, if any substance lost an electrons, then those electrons should be gained by the another substance in the redox reaction. When we take the zinc plus copper plus 2 gives rise to copper plus 2 plus copper plus 2 copper plus 2 zinc plus 2. Okay, zinc plus 2 is observes oxidation reaction. Copper plus 2 gains the 2 electrons, then it converts as copper. When zinc lost the 2 electrons, then it converts as zinc plus 2. At the same time, the last electrons of zinc were gained by the copper plus 2, then it converts as copper. Okay, then it is also a one redox reaction. Thank you.